Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
No!
What's up, Mr. Cool?
Thanks for holding the drink.
Got nothing in my brain. Got nothing in my brain.
Hello? Can I help you?
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Shawty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur,
Who's coming out? Who's coming out? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
They came back. They came back. They said you're the one. Let's go, sweetie. You've been adopted. Yeah. Is that him? Is that him? Is that him? There he is. Hey. Hey.
Mi mascota se llama Dory y ella sabe cuando me va a dar un ataque de ansiedad. Quiero que vean esto, por favor. Vean eso. Ella, no sé dónde ande, creo que está por allá. Ella obviamente pues no sabe que estoy hablando de ella. Ella sabe cuando me va a dar un ataque de ansiedad. Quiero que vean lo que ella hace. No está entrenada, ojo, ella lo hace por amor, quién sabe. Ahí está. Me está viendo, como que ya sabe que sentada en el suelo no es una buena señal. Vean esto. Vean eso. Ay, mi bebé. Cómo la amo, de verdad. Es única.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
I learned after using the sauna for 100 days.
Stop that. I dry your eyeballs. Eyeball kiss. What? I sniff. Saltine. Mom, what's wrong? Hey, Mom. What is wrong, Mom? Hey. Hey, Mom. Look at me. It's okay? I be here.
He was so confused. Fly, Sunny, fly. I had to bring my dog to my meeting today. He started the meeting by holding everyone's hands. He then went around the table and smiled at everyone from under the desk. Holding his paw at all times was mandatory. He stared at each person speaking to show he was listening. He was a 10/10 good boy.
Guys, I'm at a plant nursery right now. It's so quiet. But look at this. Oh my God, what is that?
Hey, honey, give us a song.
I really wanted to buy this puppy, but my girlfriend said that if I did, there'd be a 50-50 chance that she might leave me. And those odds were way too risky for me, and I didn't want to take any chances. So I ended up buying 2 puppies to make sure my girlfriend leaves.
And how do you intend to kill us?
Oh, no, I can't kill you. But my buddy can. Say hi, buddy.
Ranger, stop sitting on the baby.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic